na me Kwame APlus se me ufa population say bia obi wo Kumase ana Ashanti ana voter right na ni population ye be 10,000 na Kwame APlus a constituency omu population ye be 50 ayi be 5,000 ni akoto aba yi sa akwa we na meme wo Ashanti region na voter region na meme ayi population ye 10,000 ni ato aba yi mi na me ne na ba be share parliament me hwe sa de na ye me yase me population ye 10,000 ne Kwame APlus population ye 5,000 a we ne timi abaye MP na me wo Kumasi ana voter region na me population ye 10,000 na ma be ye MP na ye share sa akwa we empty headed akwa we wa yi parliament me hu Kwame APlus wo ye MP na Kwame APlus better no ye MP obi a wontimi express no hu parliament o man frequently o kasa Kwame APlus nka ayi articles ya ye new parliament a member of parliament way MPP for boy o mo abafufuro hwe lady ne o mo wo ho ene o mo wale ayi form ma good submission no Kwame APlus mate se Kwame APlus akasada wontimi because we ni bro wa Kwame APlus abone just say yanko tire TV so ni ti ayi UTV useless UTV ono ni yanka ya no nto ye nan nto so ti say de oye gay no on kan kwase asem eno na Kwame APlus nim na 2028 election mi do nyame kame maami a wa wusha form say Kwame APlus wo obedwa so men obedwa ni namu mrika asam no aka kire na Akufo-Addo no me se Kwame APlus on obedwa ni namu mrika so ono nani eden wo men ye be kire ne say ni ye de ni na ehwe ne say na ye wo betray bi wo MPP mu a wono na say o betray party no one na betray party no one the information bi akoma enti no betena TV so a obetena sa useless UTV ona na why me which say why pompous and me gia bana frame okay ni ehu say na traitor bi wo MPP mu a no na man information Kwame APlus ye catchro ye say me say 2028 so wo men ubedwa no na mu mrika Kwame APlus ubedwa no na mrika na wo ade be ye no wo akasa tie na Akufo-Addo abro kwase ampani wo papa jibifo no krantimi nkasa ntia no wo papa jibifo no maame na no hu ntutu na kwasea wo de unuama wo yire wakoto nkrata ama no ayi no London no wo timi akasa tia sa wo Jesus Christ Ghana politics hey wo timi nya the audacity etimi kasetia na nadu danko Akufo-Addo na nadu danko Akufo-Addo wan fa fom da na busuafo awurade na wo kwase mpani Jimmy 40 say hwe be matini nanim ni be hwe be matini nanim Jimmy wo ye wo Jimmy like you wo ye wayi wo ye MP wo Kwame APlus wo betimi aye MP abra parliament wonum say na me no okay ya na bi wonum a say ni ayi sa constituency no wato ho star internet abebo honum enti mu ko gina ase ye enya internet ye YouTube ni ayi enti eno na ade amope abra aban bi ba so de mu make school de mu nuamu ko school na nkama nko school ayi ka internet no kura nka ko gina ase nka be hu de wi esi access nkamba hu de wi esi access na me ye nuamu nkranfo na me de me nkasa bia nkwa akire de se omu se wo pe dokoro ne nchenam na se wo pe dokoro ne nchenam na dokoro ne nchenam aba ayi service dia musu no me ma wusa akwa bi nso ye friend ayi se ho anwa baba da media se ho anwo nam takorade wonum ekokọ sa kenke fo no so ani ese kenke boa den ni epese ye behwe na wo ma sheda akoyi bi na we ye 4 cd na we ye 5 cd na se wo pese wo didi me anase wo to you know 5 cd de ni mienu a untimi endi ni nyina nti ne abo 7 cedi okay munye jandam ena de me friend no o kotwa akwan a na nado dan kwakufo do bai wo ye ne takurade ne sake poso nyina wo kotwitwa ne na me friend wo fo so onka previous government onka previous government no ena me friend wo fo so na mbusa ne say bro ekwan ya wo twitwa ne nyina de abeto YouTube ya amanfo wo hwa omu subscribe a wo je hu sika egu botowu no hwamu aban be na yeye afedi was the previous government na yeye and I'm catching so okay thank you but to your video na I also cast a previous government na yeye me yes to said there ekwan no NDC for ba sesia no mabeye kokwa mabeye yes sa kwan no oh ya na wo di comment na to ase na wo ye voice over na kase MPP for na yes sa kwan ni nyina wotakrade ho emeye ti said the NDC for ba yes sesia no mabeye afedi me kache no wasi yo wate me kache no wasi yo wate mo nyina moto no na jandam ukotwa na akufo do project a obaye obeye ya na mu dia koto YouTube ni ayi na amanfo subscribe no mu jessica she mbotom na ka se wo no kotwa na de beto na wan ka no kura na wo jessica sika no woji behye obotuma ade be ye o entro nko na mu digu Ghana ho no entro na me ka parliament me ka afanyo marken nyankopon enhira sa papa no ene oma sori agina Habib ene wa me ya na me rest ampanifo no mo ani mo ye from say sa ayi
anodompre Jerry Ahmed
ene ba kono
Auntie Patricia
na ba kono ka ho ba kono wa umo ni din
there you know
omo ye 5 enim wono omo ye 5 omo gina fam omo ye ba kono
say Jerry Habib Anodompre Patricia and Apenyo Marken
okay nyame nhira sankrofo no onuma de kronte o mantimi omo akoye jandam wo ayi Katie Hammond ayi constituency o mama Katie Hammond mama parliament biom enkasa de we nkabe de wo parliament wo fokin enkabede enne mumu pache se enkoto 2 private jet majo mahama na mumu kas how just say mumu how do you guys take us for mumu kas Ghana for adwini mo mereti se kenke no mu kan o na kufo do time de plane na engine ba ko ase no akuja to abro kwa yi na nim te se yi be ka kire na kufo do se private jet no obetimi de atu kwan akọ enti we to private jet
okuja to kakawrewre
me de na yezumi na nimpa na mu se opo all the sika wanya nyina wontimi nya ne homadi adrobia ni obetim de aye no wo ka kire na nado danko akufado se plane se ne engine ye 3 na se ba ko asizi obetim de atu afa wiemu onko fro ene de jomama yenkoto private jet tenten ba ko tietia ba ko tenten ba ko ne ye de obetimi de ne ene ne busuafo atu kwa akọ long distance ena short one nso ye de odi be roaming about in Ghana na ye wia yensanto only one helicopter pe ena ma military for what reason na nado danko akufo de deserve de engine ba ko asai onfo ntumfa wiemu nko yo yate esi odun katia be ka kire se na nado danko asole a wo fort private jet no odwunso gu ya pampam ena mama no de plane amukofa no mo be fa mo koto ne de ono de mama onjunso otina plane mo onjunso onko toilet ohun na me ka kire ye mpanifo ne se wo muka so mbe pass law na mo bia njiro mu mpie wo mu nka ho na nyankopon bua 2029 nyankopon ya dom ne ba ma ye ba ban ma do odi anim koto plan no yemfa ne nkokọ yemfa ne nkoduru jeji bia anim na yenya tsewu na de ukohyemu wi a ho na ababe ayi bail condition the bail condition na abawu say yes so obenya bail na so wonya bail
All right. It's about hobby and God bless.
Okay, me also.
On your media landscape. Where's I mean my fans are wow boyfriend, with sweet boyfriend. Oh, America, oh baby. Go for then so umbra. Going to me amba. But I buy for a buy, you know. Once a barber show, as I go back. I mean, so the political atmosphere, no. Sometimes we also need to face the reality. Nipan we mean you dada. Oh, now yes, we have system, no. See, there's no clear cut differentiation between the executive, the judiciary, and then the legislature. Three na is I bet to say this way chocolate drink. 3 in 1. You see, and I bet to say is share because near judiciary and I parliament now.
Ready, because of punchline. Where punchline?
That is serious, very serious. And that is why you be no mono.
Parliament. Any judiciary, I bet to say this way chocolate drink.
This way chocolate drink. Yeah, 3 in 1. 3 in 1. You see, I didn't know here is your share. It's a fear. Unless it's a different view, because go school now, you know. Say in democracy, the judiciary is purely independent. The legislature is purely independent. And then the executive is purely independent. Masa, do you get my point? And the same element, especially when it's in our case, is the executive that is even appointing all the key weight. And the executive can say, this is what I want to do. We are judiciary, we are legislature, so the principle of checks and balances, wow, you see, they exist only on our books. And if it's a very certain, maybe recommendation, I made judicial constitutional review come, they may say, if you really mean business, we want to progress as a country, then we should forget about this democracy thing. The whole country should come together and behave as what we have in Burkina Faso. We need a one state. It doesn't matter the name we give to ourselves, but we don't need this multi-party kind of system. We need to exist as one country. China, they are existing as one country. They are having a peaceful existence. Most countries are practicing a unism or unitary system of government, and everything is going on well with them. Rather than
yes, earlier last year suggested BBC as a unity government.
Which is okay, the best way to go, because you see, we could do money. And say, you see, I have for your day. You see, MPP phone supporters in this week, discussing even University of Ghana lecturers anyway. Hey, now we NDC for ADWH. MPP4 ADWH. Until at the end of the day, one a bear bonnet and one a bear criticize the other one. Because Bonibia Ubedibiano, you still have people who feel they belong to your political party. So they will come to your aid. So once or Mufi say a party member, no, they will see nothing wrong, they will say nothing wrong, they will do nothing wrong. And at the end of the day, then we are still at a standstill. Nobody is moving forward in anything.
But I this question 70 a strange amount say in court proceedings. What case I charge you will be with 74 counts.
It never used to be so. But a current trend. What may I say? Those days no na lampani na 1, 2, 3 be na your baby. But see compartmentalize the whole thing into compartment. Do you get it? And the me say nipa na akoye stealing na. Say and then Wednesday say we are 50,000. Echina Thursday we 10,000. And Rechi we are 2,000. No more ni na album. Say total we are 10,000 in stealing. But see no met chem. Say Rechi we are 10,000. And then we are 2,000. In series, they want to prove them separately. But those days, no, na your lamp. Me feel say new style, no. Chief Justice, no, ne Attorney General, almost stepping in. Now you enjoy a new trend, no, because a man law, no, we chipping the essence of the whole thing. What me as because I think I will be proving count 1, what about count 2, count 3 anyway. Now it wastes time. Even the marker say China, no, they use 15 minutes for trial, and the next 5 minutes, you know, yes, transporting, no, say you no. Within 5 minutes, no, kuno ko. And to so be so yeah corruption in your maybe on dream who cry say because the system will fish you out and you will die. And what may your friend no mercy? Because MPP NDC were that be
okay.
no one for cancer way I'm a party member, where you have ways I'm some who na ye do or mind mona and to young for your nimino.
Okay.
Wow. Issue be na they call MPP NDC. Okay, and to quickly. My boy, illegal procurement, you know.
Yeah.
But take it time, I explain it. And more false pretenses also.
Okay.
False pretenses. Wow. Aha. And no, say intent na say for any way near them. They said, nimpa say, sadi way, and yes, say, oh, so no more chain, no. For instance, can say, be way. Obi expertise. Wow. In a financial backing. In a ownership of BB technology, be a bit me aye, Jumano. Do you get it?
You are not the intention was just the contract.
Exactly. So say Juma we are SMA pay. Almost boom say waha. Omo experience waha. Omo toss adi we dia pay. And so almost mono. Bibisa and Niwosa. Do you get my point? And in that false pretenses album, and abuse almost a payment for no service. Wow, we'll start in okay. I say Bia, and then may say Jumaway, Echana may say Jumaway, Mivia, Muntiam 1 billion. And never and one say Jumano. Echana and one say Jumano so. And so 10 billion you Tiamano. Do you get it?
Exactly.
Almost say abuse of office. Well, and almost purchase almost use almost position as ministers, as chief executive. Well, Nina say for no. And Bibia and can depend on no because on no position in it. Also, met to me, I all respect the laws of the country. And also, we found that the key we are. Abuse of office is there. You can't payment for no survey, you can't false pretense, corruption, and illegal procurement, and so on and so forth. And then also they came to potential future loss. Say, Omoka said, Adia SML for ne Nkrofa Yabubo Mudin na ye no. Omobe diska ko. In future no effect ne Ghana no na ebeboka aso mamuno na ebeboka nti we nyina no omo fi say omo actie they've acted criminal we yam fanto records to say we one-sided story an allegation coming from office of special prosecutor Nkwa. Wow.
Upgrade your career with the University of Salford online master programs. We offer over 20 specializations such as